All right, traders, welcome back. It's Timbo Irvin. Happy New Year to everyone. So, guys, I want this year, 2024, to be the best year of your lifetime. So, I'm going to show you three amazing pairs that is going to blow your mind. I'm going to start with gold. Also, I'm gonna give you USD JPY. I'm gonna tell you exactly why I think the market is gonna be performing the way that I'm gonna explain each pair that I'm gonna give you today. Also, I'm gonna give you Euro USD. This pair is freaking amazing, guys. It's already making money for the year 2024. So remember one thing, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. If you want me to teach you based on what you're gonna learn here, please let me know in the comment below. You subscribe if you haven't subscribed. But let's go. Let's start with the very first pair of the day, and that it's going to be USD JPY. This is the way that I'm gonna do it. So I want to teach you guys slowly. This is a brand new year, new idea. Everything's gonna be amazing. So the first thing that we're always gonna be paying attention, guys, this is what we're gonna be trading this year. We're gonna be trading multiple time frame. We're gonna be looking into what 4 hours is doing. We're also gonna be looking into the daily time frame. We're also gonna be looking into the daily time frame, and lastly, we are going to be looking into the monthly time frame. So that is why we call this multiple time frame, because 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly is doing an amazing support and resistance, and you need to catch the money right on that spot. All right, fair enough. So the next thing that we're gonna be paying attention, we always gonna be paying attention to the larger time frame. What is the 4 hours and daily time frame doing? This, guys, this is the dashboard. This boxes that you see red and green, those are the dashboard. If you pay attention in here, the dashboard is letting us know the market is in a buy trend. 4 hours in a buy, daily is in a buy. It's already giving you your answer of what the market is doing in real time. So what are you gonna do next? This is what we're gonna do next. Let me delete everything because I don't want to show you a lot of drawing. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna be looking into real data, real time, because that's where the money is located. Look at here. Remember, we saw it on the dashboard. The dashboard gave you the answer what the market is doing. Real time. Market is in a buy trend. Then we look where we need to be looking here. We need to be looking for multiple time frame, right? Then we need to be looking where's the TW sniper entry going. Look at the TW sniper. It's turning green. Boom, boom. So that means the market here, guys, is only going in one direction only, and that is in a buy trend. So it already hit your 61.8 Fibonacci level. So it's making a small retracement, but overall, in my opinion, it's gonna come back, make the 61.8 Fibonacci level very strong before it does another pullback, and then boom, market will continue on that buy trend. Overall, USD JPY is in a buy trend. Let me go ahead and give you another amazing pair that is gonna blow your mind. So are you ready? Because I'm very excited. I want you guys to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars in the market. All right, so let me go ahead and give you Euro USD. There we go. Look, what is the very first thing that we need to pay attention, guys? What is it? The dashboard. That's right. Look at what the 4 hours and daily time frame is telling us here. Is it telling us that we are in a buy trend? Automatically, the box are in green. So when it's green, it means the market is on a buy trend. When the market is in a red, obviously it tells you the market is in a sell position. But we don't have nothing letting us know the market is selling except 5 minute and 50 minute. So what are we gonna do next? We need to go to real data, real time. Now you're gonna do it with me because that's what you're here for. Look at here. What is the multiple time frame doing? Boom. What is the TW sniper entry doing? Boom. It's in a buy trend. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Look at previously. What was the market doing? Market was giving us a pullback as a sell position. Pullback is game over. Look at who just showed up in here. Multiple time frame one more time, letting us know that we continue on that buy trend. This is my opinion for this week. For this week, guys, market is gonna come back to your 38 to your 23 Fibonacci level one more time. It's gonna make another retracement, retesting your entry, your buy trend again, and then boom, market will be on that buy trend. But overall, this Euro USD is still on that buy trend. So be careful. If you are planning to take a sell on this pair, please be careful, because market it is still on that buy trend. Okay, guys, what do you think? What do you guys think so far on this weekly analysis? Do you have any question? What is it, guys? Please let me know. There's a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and hit me up and let me know if you need help. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair, and the next pair is going to be gold. Pay close attention. Look, I'm not gonna give you the real data yet, because I want you to understand. Look at the dashboard. Just by looking into the dashboard, you already know what's going on the market. Boom, that's it. Look, what is 4 hours doing? Daily time frame. Always look at the dashboard, guys. The dashboard is the answer of everything. Look at that. So 4 hours is telling me, Irvin, market here is in a buy trend. But look at what the daily time frame is telling me. Irvin, be careful. Be careful. It seems like the 4 hours is doing a pullback, but with the sellers, the daily time frame is telling you the market's still on that sell trend. But then let me prove you, because that's what you're here for, right? So let me show you if that is true. Look at that. So we need to look into the multiple time frame with the dashboard. Look at here. Boom. Selling. Look at the dashboard. The TW snap enter. Boom. Look at the stairs. Boom. 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 You don't see no green stair here going up. You don't see it yet. So the market here is still on that sell position based on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is here telling the market here is selling. It's true. But what happened? Look at the 4 hours. 4 hours is telling me, Irvin, the buyers on the 4 hours are doing a pullback at this time. Please take off the market. Go take a break. Go drink coffee. Take your family vacation. But look at here. Market is in a buy trend. In my opinion, market is going to come back to your 50 to your 61 Fibonacci. It's going to make us more retracement, which is in favor of the sell position, retesting your buy position one more time, and then we'll continue on that buy trend. So overall, gold is still in a sell position, except the 4 hours, 1 hour, and 30 minute is doing a pullback against the sellers. So be careful. If you don't know how to trade pullback, just don't do it, because I don't want any of you guys to be blowing your account, and then you are going to hate this business. Remember, this is brand new year. Let's go. Let's trade with Teamwork Irvin, guys. So thank you, guys. Happy New Year, and I will see you guys back in the next episode. Let's go. Boom.